Hey guys, super excited today. I actually got my mail today, day after Christmas. No, second day after Christmas. Today is Monday. So I have my GPU splitters. I have my breakout board that's gonna power up my motherboard and the GPUs so I don't have to use the ATX power supply. So let's crack this open and see. I'm gonna probably do a timeline of building this and putting out the other cards that I have for this rig. So let's see, I don't want to break this up too bad. Let me get a blade, cut this up a little bit. Hope everything works out of the box. I don't have any issues. I don't need to do any returns. So you get your QR code with the wiring manual and the wiring guide. There's the breakout board. We're gonna make sure that works. That's gonna power up my motherboard like I said. And of course, we have all the necessary cables. Hopefully everything is intact and working properly. So we'll make sure we'll check that out in a bit. Now for the core of this, we're gonna be setting this guy up, installing it, making sure it works. We're gonna power up each card. Hopefully we don't run into any situations where I have any DOAs with the card or even the PSU or even the breakout board nicely wrapped. So guys, I ordered this from Parallel Miner. They were quick, simple. I made a mess up on one of my orders prior and they canceled it for me, no issues. And I just reordered it again. So this is has a sticker Parallel Miner. It's a HP 1200 watt. We're gonna be setting this guy up, all right? Let's go. And I also did pick up another kilowatt, which I'm gonna be plugging into this and placing it off onto that rack over there where the black box is. So hopefully this goes well. I'm gonna test it now and I'll show you guys in a little bit. All right guys, I am going to be powering this PSU for the very first time. I'm going to plug that in. All right guys, so I have it set in place. Now I have one of the cards configured, like optimized low voltage. So I have that going on right now, but what I did was I ran the miner with the default card settings because what I want to do is go into each card and load my profile to make sure that it's going to be able to handle that configuration unless I have to actually modify each one because it is from a different manufacturer and it is a different card. So I just want to make sure of that. So right now, my current wattage is 788. I'm not sure if you guys can get that, it's a little glare. But let me show you on the back side from the power supply itself, from the PSU. Now the sound, even running at this default voltage, which I know they run about like 100 volts per card that's out of the factory, but the one that I've configured is actually running around 60 or so. So right now, the voltage obviously is the 12 volts, and then here you can see it's 56 right now. And that's the current, Now the wattage, again, I have the kilowatt is at 788 right now. Okay, you guys, I don't know if you guys can actually see that. 789. And of course, let me just hit over to the amp. It's 7 amps on this rig right now. And that's the only thing that's actually plugged in. So there's nothing else. So far it's okay. And I'll just show you guys really quick. I have a total 177.5 mega hash, and all 6 cards are detected. And of course the card starts from GPU 0 to GPU 5. Now this is just a quick update. I'm gonna let it run and see how it actually goes for the rest of the day. It's only been running for like maybe a few minutes now. Hopefully nothing happens. And then I'm gonna eventually go into the Radeon software to configure each card to make sure they're optimized and at full strength, low voltage, high. Well, actually, I'll be actually underclocking it as well, and then also lowering the voltage to bring it down towards the 60s. And hopefully the memory I would have to overclock a little bit and get each card around 32 mega hash. All right, thank you guys for being here, and I'll see you guys again really soon.